Ever wish you had an AI that talks exactly like you? Same humor, same vibe, even the way you overuse emojis.
Wait, are you telling me you made an AI version of yourself?
Pretty much. I created a custom GPT that literally sounds like me, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it.
Okay, I need to know everything. Spill the tea.
So first, what is a custom GPT? It's like having your own version of ChatGPT that talks, thinks, and responds the way you would.
Wait, so it's not just picking a personality from a list.
Nope, you actually upload your own writing samples and give it personalized instructions. Then it learns your tone, style, and even those weird little phrases you always use.
Okay, but how do you actually set that up?
Here's how I did it, step by step. Step 1. Collect writing samples. I grabbed everything that sounded like me. Tweets, blog posts, newsletters, DMs, basically anything I'd written in my own voice. Step 2. Upload to the GPT Builder. Inside ChatGPT, there's a Create a GPT option. I uploaded my writing and filled out the instructions with notes like, talk like a friendly, slightly sarcastic content creator who explains tech to non-tech people. And use analogies, avoid jargon, and sprinkle in meme energy when appropriate.
So you're literally telling it how to be you.
Exactly. Test and refine. Once it was live, I tried it out. If it sounded too stiff or robotic, I adjusted the instructions or added more writing samples until it matched my vibe.
So you basically trained a digital version of yourself.
Yep, now it helps me brainstorm ideas, write captions, draft emails, even scripts like this one, all in my voice.
Okay, but who's this actually useful for? Is this just a techie thing?
Not at all. It's great for content creators who want to scale without losing their unique tone, writers who need help drafting without starting from scratch, influencers who want help replying to comments or writing posts that sound like them.
So basically, me.
Exactly. As soon as you send me your favorite tweets and that chaotic group chat energy, we'll get yours set up. If you're a creator, writer, or just want your own AI that talks like you, go try making a custom GPT. It's easier than you think, and honestly, kind of addictive.
Hit that like button if you're ready to clone your own voice, AI style.
And don't forget to subscribe because next week we're showing you how to make your GPT write your YouTube scripts.
Both. See you in the next one.